see many companies made their way forward with the hybrid workplace, and they use completely different terminologies. But one thing that's really clear is that most of the companies you see here are technology-based companies. They're software companies, and their workforce is younger generation, and the people are technology friendly. So that makes it rather easier for them to move forward. But one of the companies clearly stands out, which is Siemens. Siemens in July 2020 moved forward with their mobile working policy in 123 locations in the world. For a German traditional company, or let's say it's an industrial manufacturing company, doing this is actually huge.